Yeah guys, it's now in the morning pretty much of the second day. Yesterday for me wasn't really a good day. Like I was so super tired, my ass tired and cranky. Still a little bit tired, and the worst part about this is that you come to this place just to relax and stuff and you still wake up like 7:30, which is horrible because like I normally wake up like maybe 7, like 5:45 every morning. So I was hoping that I could probably wake up like here like 10, but still not working. I guess my body gets so programmed to this whole thing. But anyway, I'm about to go get something to eat and then possibly go to the gym after, you see me? So I already started to dig in. I don't know where I'm getting banana from, but I got these bananas, bacons, salt mackerel, pancake. I got orange juice and tea. Like outside with Family right now, it's a lot more relaxing. It feels like, how can I say, it feels more serene, like what I expect for like going inside to the buffet. There was a lot of people in there. I know some persons don't mind that, but for me personally, I like more quiet spaces. But the food is pretty good though, I like the food. And there's like a wide selection. But like you can see the view, like out there. The pool and the sea, I love that. So like I just got back from having breakfast and the first thing I wanted to do was to play tennis. So like I'm super ready. I'm gonna go up there, hopefully I can get like a really good game in because yesterday was, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm out here running on the tennis court and stuff. Yo, I used to like playing tennis like every single day. Now I'm finally here. I was gonna get a good game. We're gonna be waiting on the instructor guy, well, the guy that, you know, works at the shop, to try to get some good rallies in and, you know, try to enjoy that. So, yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. Eat the wings for you, miss. You need to smack it. It's the ball, man. Stop right here with the ball. Why don't lick the ball, Virgin? Lick the ball. Match point, 3 chicken. Game point. Alright. 1 game, 3 chicken. Good rally. Love 50. Alright. No, sir. Rich carry that one, they gone. Now go feed. You're too smart. Alright. Love 30.
I swear, just don't play tennis all I go play for like, I don't even know how long. maybe, yo, for a good like hour and a half, 2 hours or so. Played like a game a while ago. It was a simple game, really basic game. To play to like 6 games, maybe like 6-1. It was fun. But I think go get something to eat and go to the beach or something. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the plan right now. Just there, so that's easy and a chill. And feel hot, sure. Alright guys, so like I know I pretty much haven't been vlogging because yo, like sometimes you just want time for yourself and like you don't really want to be like just be up in this whole YouTube world all the time. So I haven't been vlogging much. I pretty much just not too long left Grand Baee Principe. It was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was chill. But quite honestly, it's not really my kind of place. I don't really like all-inclusives. They're very nice and relaxing, but for me personally, I like going out and seeing the island more. So I guess that's why I wasn't really inspired to vlog anyway. But I came down to where I'm from, so right now I am in Trelawney, Bae, and I'm about to look for my grandmother, but she doesn't know that I'm coming. Because she called me last night and she was like, hey, and I'm like, hey grandma, I can't talk to you today, and I'm gonna call her back. And I didn't call her back, so now I'm going to visit her and she's gonna be like so surprised. She's like, oh my god, the grandson. Or whatever, but anyway, I'm gonna take you guys there now. I'm like probably like 2 minutes out. So right now I'm out of the car. You don't know, my favorite drink always is on deck, Malta. Best thing. Hopefully I can find a surprise there, I don't know. Mommy, Angie.
Hello. Nadine, Angie here, what's up?
Oh god.
God. You trying to car in there?
Where grandmother? Wait, oh, if I go inside? Jesus Christ.
See, when you see something else.
Eh?
I don't know.
Yeah.
This is up at the bottom of the road.
Alright, well, I'm going to go for grandma first.
It was supposed to be a surprise.
Where grandmother? Grandma. Wow, go on. Mr. Hector. Wow, go on.
Jesus Christ, come on, me rotted. You didn't me up, man, you make me know, so you let come.
You called me last night.
Last night, are you the one come?
Anyway guys, but yeah. This one I'll pick up mango. Yeah, it's in the summertime in Jamaica, so you're gonna have a lot of mangoes on the trees. Yeah, and that breadfruit tree right there, trust me, that breadfruit tree never fails. Like anytime you're hungry, there's always a roasting breadfruit on there. Kinda cool.